companies or organizations want to know, how they can get prepared for the DPDPA Act, there are few basic steps, practices which organizations can follow, which will make them prepared and move a step further for the DPDPA compliance. The first one is data inventory. So what is data inventory? So companies, organizations should work on their data inventory. What type of data they need, why they need that data, how they are planning to process the data, and how they are planning to secure the data. And once the data processing is over, how they are going to retain it, for what duration they are going to retain it, and after that how they are going to eradicate or erase the data. So these are few basic elements which under the data inventory the company, organization should decide and work upon. Secondly, companies and organizations can update their privacy policies and implement the privacy policies internally. Then the data consent or implementing the data consent. So companies should implement consent management practices, which plays a very important and crucial role in the DPDPA Act. Then comes the data security. Now they have, they have already decided what would be their data inventory, what privacy practices they are going to follow, what will be their consent management strategy. And post that, they should work upon data security. What are the different data security controls they want to implement, and how they are planning to implement it in an effective way, in an accurate way. Then comes the data audit. It is crucial for the organizations to get themselves audited for the privacy practices, for the data privacy practices. Then the next crucial element is reporting of breaches. Just in case if the company founds or under inappropriate conditions there is a breach, then they should predefine the practices and the set of rules, how they are going to report the data breach. And the last and the important way for the organizations to get themselves prepared is train their people. So for any compliance, it is equally important that the people who are a part of the organization, they understand the compliance and they understand why the organization is implementing any compliance for that matter. So similarly, the organization should also prepare their people, train their people for data privacy principles, policies, and the act. So these are some basic steps which I feel that organizations should start working towards, and this will definitely give them a great edge to implement DPDPA Act effectively.